We're super excited to tell you about the latest updates to our Adobe CC Plugins 8.0. Adobe Premiere plugin has been updated with innovative new features such as the ability to import multiple metadata timelines with color filters into the Premiere sequence. You can then search on color markers. You can bring in markers for specific values too. For instance, if you are interested in all the moments where raging waters appear, just filter on the value and import. Our most popular feature, searching inside a video with markers, is now accessible from within Adobe Premiere and After Effects. Click on a video, search in the timeline, locate the marker, click on the marker, and skip straight to the point in the video where the marker appears. Advanced Search is now available from inside all our plugins. Click on Advanced Search. Select a metadata criteria, including AI-based metadata. Combine multiple metadata terms to perform complex searches. Search results are time-coded. Just click on a marker and jump straight to a video timecode. If you're exchanging project files with team members and running into offline link issues, check out our Resolve Link feature. Our updated plugins embed a unique asset ID into all Adobe CC files, ensuring links never break. For example, Sandy corrects a file name from Brooklyn Bridge to Golden Gate. She moves the file to the correct folder, and then Mike is able to click Resync in the Premiere plugin and instantly update to the correct file path without running into offline media errors. Broken links are a thing of the past with the Resolve Link feature. The one-button export feature in After Effects can now offload renders to Adobe Media Encoder instead of using the render queue. Motion graphics artists can continue working in After Effects while rendering animations as a background task. The plugin export option automatically sets up the render in Adobe Media Encoder and syncs back the completed render to Zoom, which means no more waiting for renders to finish. Using our web client, producers and managers can select specific shots they want included in a video, such as those scenes where a chopper is flying, and automatically save them as a sequence within Zoom. Later, editors can then import the pre-cut sequence into their video editing app, such as Adobe Premiere, saving huge amounts of time and effort searching for clips and making cuts. These are just some of our updates. Experience more at our blog.